The S&P 500 has long been the gold standard for index investors, but now there's a simple and more effective methodology than market cap weighting. The IO 100 offers more exposure to the most innovative companies and less to bureaucratic boardrooms with empty suits. The index is built on two fundamental truths. One, that skin in the game matters. And two, a small group of high-impact individuals has always been responsible for the majority of our economic growth. From Henry Ford and John D. Rockefeller to Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg. To understand the IO 100, it's important to first examine traditional market cap-weighted indices. These indices determine a stock's weighting by multiplying its price by the total number of shares outstanding. In contrast, the IO 100 applies this calculation only to shares owned by insiders. The IO 100 re-weights stocks from the S&P 500 based on the value of shares held by founders and other insiders, a factor completely missed by other indices. This methodology favors companies where leadership has a significant personal stake in the long-term success of the organization. In other words, the IO 100 builds a portfolio centered around the visionaries who have shaped our world. These leaders represent the most informed group of shareholders, and incorporating their ownership produces a more robust and strategically aligned portfolio. Backtesting this methodology over the past 2 decades demonstrates its ability to generate significant above-market returns. A hypothetical $10,000 investment in the IO 100 would have far outperformed the S&P 500. The IO 100's strength lies in its divergence from traditional market trends. Instead of following the market, it follows the founders who redefine it. Learn more about the Inside Ownership 100 by visiting InsideOwnership.com.